Uy! Ikaw pala. Hi guys, it's me Justin and let's do an unboxing video. First time ko gagawa ng unboxing, so bear with me guys. I bought this for a gift to myself, actually. And I really think I really deserve this one. So, actually, 2 box to. Ito pa. Oh, this one. So, ito siya guys. Ta-da! The iPad M2. We got the another one.